Welcome to this tutorial on updating your profile picture in the Band app. Whether you're new to Band or just looking to personalize your profile, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Band app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the bottom right, tap on Small Settings icon. Then, select My Profile to access your personal profile settings. After that, tap on Manage Profile to make changes to your profile details. Now click on your profile name to enter the editing mode. Following that, tap on the plus icon. This will open your device's gallery, allowing you to choose a new photo. Then, browse through your gallery and select the photo you wish to set as your new profile picture. Ensure that the photo meets any size or format requirements specified by the app. Finally, tap on the Save icon located at the top right corner of the screen to confirm and save your new profile picture. Then click on Save at top right corner. Your updated photo will now be visible to others in your Band community.